Time check 8:52 p.m. Update for the weather of Baguio City, Philippines. There. That's it. Earlier it keeps on raining, but suddenly it will stop. But most of the time it will rain. Raindrops are falling on my head, but thanks God we're all safe here in Baguio. Especially the neighbors. We did not experience a flood, but in Benguet we experienced some soil erosion. Yeah, that's normal here in mountain area. Yes, there it goes. There she goes. There she goes again. And she never left. Huh? Upload. They're asking what I'm doing. I'm just doing an update for tonight. Today is July. What's the date today? 25th. 25th. Yeah. So we did not go out for about 3 days. Schools, government employees. Yeah, there's no work as well for 2 days due to heavy rains, along with the two what we call storm. Yeah, there's the fog. There's the fog. Fog. We have fog here in Baguio. What's new? Fog. It's just an update. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed night, blessed day. Riba, peace around the world. I love you all. Mwah.